Hello, Jan here from Into the Woods. So I've just been out for a walk into my local woods and I got to thinking about how lucky I am to be able to go for a walk when so many of you are self-isolating at home, and how important nature is for our well-being, how all the research is showing us that nature can bring down our anxiety levels, our stress levels, and build our immunity. So I thought one thing I can do is to take you out into the woods with me every day. And so I'm going to go out every day, rain or shine, for the next 30 days, and make a video and share it with you here. So if you'd like to join me in the woods for a dose of sanity in the face of world events, then subscribe below, little red button, and I'll see you there tomorrow.